matters. You know, INI-CET 2024 is round the corner and you need a strategic roadmap to secure your seats.
Well, put your preparations to test with Alan's NExT exclusive T&D Batch. Yes, we are launching the ultimate test and discussion batch for the upcoming May INI-CET 2024 starting from 27th January.
But ये T&D में होगा क्या? So students, you will be able to take live tests and engage yourself in interactive live discussions with the India's top faculties every day on the NExT app.
The T&D classes will be covering high-end questions carefully curated from PYQs, high-probability questions and important topics. And the live discussion will offer doubt resolution and complete revisions directly with the faculties.
पर बस इतना ही मिलेगा? नहीं, अभी और सुनो.
You'll be getting direct mentorship by the senior faculties of NExT.
You will also get rapid revision videos summarizing all 19 subjects by expert faculties.
You also get pattern-based grant tests and subject-wise tests for continuous self-assessment along with detailed explanations and discussions for all questions and their options.
Quick recap notes for last-minute revision.
Access to our exclusive Telegram channel. Lastly, you will be eligible to appear in the 2 CBoTs. And what is CBOT? Computer-based offline test. And that is the mock test for what? That is for the INI-CET 2024.
Time is less and syllabus is vast. So be wise and join the T&D fast. तो अब देरी किस बात की है?
Secure high ranks and top seats in INI-CET 2024. So with NExT T&D, you will be able to ace your exams. Do visit aiims.com and register today.